Yo, what's going on, my peoples of the world? I hope everyone is keeping it simple, staying blessed, and out the way. Welcome to the channel. I'm Carl. In today's video, I would like to be discussing a few terms here on the Tornado app, which allows you to learn and earn at the same time. They pay you to learn new financial terms. We have here investing. Investing is basically just money, earning money. And then we have another term here, which is investment goals. It's basically just your goals to earn money and the reasons why you want to build wealth. You know what I mean? People have multiple reasons why. Some want to, generate income. Some want to put money away for retirement, to buy a home, to put their kids through school, ECT, whatever your investment goals are. You might want to consider your financial instrument that you're going to use to get you there. You got dividend stocks, you got, growth stocks, you got value stocks, which offer you a dividend and growth. Next, we got here investing versus trading. Investing is basically long-term sort of thing, where you basically look at the company's financials and see the strength of the company, and you invest in the company for potential gains in the future, And then you have a trader's point of view, which is more so short-term, where you're just looking to make a quick buck, or you're looking to hold for a couple months or maybe a couple weeks or even a day. You have day traders out there that just buy and sell, wait for the stock to go up a little bit and sell. The S&P 500 is a great way for starting investors, or even if you're a savvy investor, to put your money into, and you have like a safe haven where, on average, historically, the S&P has returned a 10% yield for its investors. So do me a favor, everyone, just subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop one of these videos about financial terms. Tornado, again, is an investment app that allows you to earn and learn at the same time. It's a great app for beginners to get your education on about investing in general. So do me a lot of help in my channel if you subscribe and like the content. Thank you.